Is your BMW 3 Series 2013 to 2019 F30 key fob not working? The most likely culprit is a dead battery. The F30 key fob uses a CR2450 3-volt battery. You'll need a small plastic pry tool or screwdriver. First, locate the small slot on the key fob's edge. Insert the tool and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to scratch the metal case. Remove the old battery, noting which side is up. The positive side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2450 battery, ensuring it's correctly seated. Reassemble the case, making sure the clips and screws align. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. If it doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it. What if your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery? First, ensure you're using a high-quality CR2450 battery from a reputable brand like Panasonic. Counterfeit batteries are a common cause of failure. If you live in a humid climate or near the coast, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean them gently with isopropyl alcohol and a toothbrush. If the remote still doesn't respond, DIY reprogramming might be an option using an OBD2 adapter and BMW-compatible software, but proceed with caution. Otherwise, professional reprogramming at a BMW dealership may be necessary. Remember, improper handling can damage the fob and potentially require an expensive immobilizer reset. While newer BMWs are shifting to digital keys, the F30 still relies on this battery. DIY replacement can save you $50 to $100 compared to dealership service.